So we have arrived at St. Albert's Cheese Factory here in Ontario, or it's called St. Albert's, Ontario. This is, well, there's some history about the place. I think this is when it started back in 1894, and then 1949. Not the cow. 1950. See, love, I remember this building here.
Yeah.
That was the one and then that was the fire. Also 2013. Okay, right there, 2013. Also, they built it 2 years later, the new one. So this is the factory itself. You can see some operators operating.
I think that's cheese curds.
That looks like cheese curds right there. Yeah, it is. You're right, love.
Next, they've got blocks of cheddar down here.
Boxes of cheddar.
Blocks of cheddar.
Oh, wow. Quite the cool equipment. It's mooing. I want to say this was the cow from the original old factory before it burnt down. I think they saved it. But they have signs where they don't want people to sit on it. The pasteurization tanks. Oh wow. Yeah, it's like, oh, you can see like how they're cleaning. It's like similar to my work actually, not gonna lie. It's similar, but it's cool though, the equipment they have and they use for to prep the cheese. This is another angle of it here. Of the pasteurization. Oh, see the orange? Sarah was saying the white cheese. See the size of it there. They're prepping their cheese. Curds. St. Albert's cheese that you buy in packs. Pretty cool. Large draining tables. You guys get a little read there. All the different types of cheeses. One of the operators working over there.
A fresh cheese curd walk from today, and we can cut it up.
Pretty cool.
It's just a giant cheese curd.
Oh, well, okay.
Okay, I'll do it on my phone. Okay, up here. Oh. Okay, so. Dad, we can make cheese.